am worried about that.
No, we're not the denominator, right?
I'm not worried about absolute valuetizing anything because this is an odd index. I always forget that absolute valuetize thing, so now I don't have to worry about it. But I am a little flabbergasted by the 5 index thing. But we'll get through it because what's the next step here? This is going to become the 5th root of the numerator and the 5th root of the denominator. Now, is there anything that can get simplified here? Is the 5th root of 5 1? No, it's not. Sorry, because we don't have a group of 5 5s here, do we?
You don't know that.
This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, but not 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. That doesn't make 5. Sorry.
No, it could.
I tricked you. Oh.
Oh.
So, are we done?
Yes.
No, because I have to rationalize the denominator. So how am I going to do that? Oh, wait, I know. We're going to multiply by something, yeah. The 5th root of something, yeah. So this is like the fancy 1, right? We just have to figure out what our fancy 1's going to look like so that we're happy. Another 4a isn't going to do it for us. Porque if we do another 4a, it's 16a squared, and there's no groups of 5 in 16a squared. Right? We want groups of 5. So think about what this 4 is right now. This thing right here is currently in the form of 2 times 2 times a. Right? So I do have 2 2's, but I don't have 5 2's, so how many more 2's do I need? Oh, okay. So what if I picked 8? 2 times 2 times 2. And then what should I pick for my variable? I have 1 of them. I need 5 total, so I need 4 more. So that would be like 8 to the 4th. And since I did that in the denominator, I need to do that in the numerator so that it's a fancy 1. And this is a really fancy one because it's like creative. That's not our answer. We are multiplying this and we're going to come up with our answer. Which I clearly don't have room for over here, so we're going down this way. This is all the things you should never do on your homework assignment. Okay, so, well, what is the 5th root of 5 times the 5th root of 8a to the 4th? Well, that's going to be the 5th root of 40a to the 4th. Are there any groups of 5 in 40? I think not, because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 5 is 5 times 1. So in 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, there's no groups of 5 of any. But now, the magic happens in the denominator. Because, how many 2's are there? 2 2's and 4, 3 2's and 8, makes 5 2's altogether, since I'm taking the 5th root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There's 5 2's. So I have one group of 2's. So it goes outside. And how about the 8's? Well, there was 1a and 4a, and 4a's and a to the 4th. So now I have 5a's, which makes a group of 5, which makes a. Hey, it works!
Yay!
Okay, write a 2-column proof that disproves it, and you win. You can do flowchart if you want. All right, then. So, of course, I wouldn't let you not try these. And in fact, we'll even time it. So you got 2 of these to do. This is not as complex as the one we did a minute ago, so 2 minutes. You don't need a minute for the first one. Oh.
Mr. Randaway.
I'm stuck on the first one.